Clean away, clean away. Hi guys, welcome back to another video back on a Driven 24/7 Automotive YouTube channel. Today I'm going to wash two of my cars. So as you'll see behind me, we have the Accord and the Mazda. Some lady creeped up behind me and scared me. But if I quickly show you actually the two cars, because they're very similar in colour. So when you compare the two, just for the sake of it, I think the Honda is definitely a lighter shade of burgundy compared to the Mazda, which is more reddy. Accord's a little bit more sort of pinky. Look at nice shiny Driven 24/7 sticker here. So the Accord and the Avensis are going to get a wash today. I'm going to snow foam the Accord because it's got a trace of mud on it. The Avensis is just, black cars always show dirt, don't they? So it looks worse than it kind of actually is. It's just dusty, got some of that desert sand on it from goodness knows where. Thank you very much for donating that to us in the UK. So I have toned down my sort of OCD-ness when it comes to cleaning cars now, because I now own two old cars. So I'll still have one bucket with a grit guard in, but I'm just going to use it for the soap and the dirty water. So don't hate on me too much in the comments below for that one. I haven't used snow foam in a while, so I'm going to do the snow foam on the Accord, because like I said, it is more dirtier than the Avensis, and I'll bring the Avensis over. That'll just get a jet wash and a hand wash. This will get the snow foam and a hand wash, and we're going to clean up the alloys. Just give them both a good clean, because they haven't been cleaned yet in my ownership. So like I say, we'll move the Mazda out the way so that doesn't get covered. That's already fairly clean. And then we'll do the Accord first and the Avensis. I'm not going to film everything, I'll just get the camera out here and there for you guys. Just going to show you around quickly the Accord in dirty form. So you've got some sand there. It's just mainly dusty, it's not looking too bad on camera. We've got a load of mud here. Some more dusty stuff. All this dust here. Old bird poo remnants, shall I say. Let's get a snow foam first, I think. Just let that dwell for a little while. I always do it onto a dry car, so it's making a nice little noise here. So it's dripping down the car. Clean away, clean away. But here's the Honda, not looking all clean, but she definitely scrubs up well, so I think. Anyway, so just like that, the Toyota has now replaced the Honda. Black cars being black, they show the dirt more than any other colour. A lot of this desert sand that's come over from the Sahara apparently. The wheels aren't too bad. When I bought this car, it actually had a valet the day I bought it, unlike the Honda, which hasn't been valeted or touched for like forever and stank and was really gross. See, there's a couple of bird poo marks. It's not too bad. It's just really dusty, really, to be fair. So there we have it, the Toyota is all clean. Most importantly, I've taken away, and Martin has helped me, I must admit, I've taken away the disabled badge and the veteran badge on the front, sticker should I say, and the disabled sticker again, and the veteran sticker has gone from the rear. It's now been replaced with a YouTube on the back there, got to represent of course, and I've also gone for a shiny glitter sticker on the driver's side at the side. That was just a quick video of us washing the cars. I know I didn't show every single thing, but it's too boring, but at least you get the idea. The Honda was worse than the Toyota. They're both looking clean now. I've been using the Toyota the past week, so it's time to get the Honda out. Plus that car doesn't have a sunroof and the Honda does, so you know, best of both worlds having these two cool JDM cars I suppose. Stick around if you want to see more videos on my rare Toyota Avensis SR and my rather cool sporty looking Honda Accord. Well, I think it's cool anyway, sporty, but yeah. Thanks for watching this one, thanks to my fiance Martin for helping me out as always, and I'll see you guys in another car video no doubt. Thanks for watching this one.